Hello there and welcome to another video. Today we are going to go and check out Henrhyd Falls in the Brecon Beacons. So I've just parked in the National Trust car park, which is free, good to know, and we're heading down to the falls. Now this is the highest waterfall in southern Wales, I believe, and it's famous for being in the Batman film The Dark Knight Rises. The Batcave is located behind this waterfall. So yeah, we're going to go and check it out. I believe you can walk behind it as well, so that'll be fun. Well, I'm not looking forward to this walk on the way back up. It's pretty steep. I don't suppose you can tell on the camera, but yeah, we're going to do the as well as going to the waterfall, we're going to follow the river. There's a National Trust walking route and I'll post that in the description of the video. Oh wow, that is pretty stunning. Only took about 5 minutes to get here. Okay, we're going to go behind the waterfall, enter the Batcave. Wow, that's impressive. Wow, that was amazing. And it's literally 5 minutes from the car park. So if you're in the area, if you're doing the Elida Trail or the Four Falls Walk, definitely come and check this out. You know what, I was in two minds about whether to continue on after Henrhyd Falls, because I thought nothing's going to beat that, and it's not, but this is quite an impressive little waterfall, and I reckon it'd be quite a nice place to go for a dip as well. So we've just reached the site of the old watermill. Do you know what, I just looked up the name and it skipped my mind now, so I'll post it in the video. Got nothing but a ruin now. Pretty cool place though. I nearly missed this. I walked past the old mill, which is it's just up to my right, There's a couple of small falls just on up the river, but not really much worth investigating. And then I just heard this one as I was walking back. Now how cool is that? Oh, I'll tell you what, that is refreshing. Oh, nice. Oh. How awesome is that though? Well, I really enjoyed that. So that was at the end of the trail, the National Trust Trail from Henrhyd Falls. I mean, there's not much to see down there apart from the ruins of the old watermill and that awesome waterfall, and if you're feeling brave enough to take a dip, it's definitely worth the sort of half-hour walk. So yeah, that's another video done. I'm still on day one of my week in Wales. Gonna try and get in another waterfall today. But that's it for this video. Hope you enjoyed that.